Okay, so this is our snack time. And we normally always have popcorn and sometimes something else, but it's fruit snacks today.
I need to go potty.
You need to go potty? Okay, you go potty. And normally we try to end here by 9:45. If they end by 9:45, then we get to do hide and seek words where it's pretty much hide and seek, but when I find them, Lily has to spell a word that I give her. Zach has to give me some words that start with a letter that I say and also say what sound it makes. And then I just have Mara copy a word for me. So this is our snack time.